Welcome to our online class. This is Ma'am Teresa Tubal. Join me to enjoy mathematics. Let us compare about the arithmetic or geometric sequence. Let's go. What is arithmetic sequence? A sequence with the difference between two consecutive terms. While in geometric sequence, it is a sequence with the ratio between two consecutive terms. As you can see, we need to get the common difference from arithmetic sequence, while in geometric sequence, we need to get the common ratio. The operations of pattern of arithmetic sequence is addition and subtraction, so we may add or subtract, it depends on the given. While in the geometric sequence is common ratio, we may multiply or divide, depends on the given value. As you can see, the example of the arithmetic sequence is 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So the common difference is equal to 3 because 6 minus 3, the answer is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is 3, 12 minus 9 is 3, 15 minus 12, the answer is also equal to 3. How about the geometric sequence? So we have 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48. To get the common ratio again, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Third term divided by the second term, so 12 divided by 6 is 2 also. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 48 divided by 24, the answer also is equal to 2. Another example, 2, 6, 10, 14, and 18. Let us check the common difference. So the common difference from first up to the last term is equal to 4. If we want to try, 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 14 minus 10 is also 4. 18 minus 14, the answer is equal to 4. How about the example of the geometric sequence 2, 8, 32, 128, and 512? The common ratio is equal to 4 because 8 divided by 2 is 4. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 128 divided by 32 is equal to 4. And 512 divided by 128 is equal to 4. What is the general formula of the arithmetic sequence? The formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. How about in the geometric sequence? The formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. The general term of the arithmetic sequence is linear, while the general term of the geometric sequence is exponential. Example of linear is a sub n is equal to 3n minus 1, a sub n is equal to negative 4n plus 5, and then a sub n is equal to 5n minus 3. As you can see, the highest exponent of n is 1. So linear, highest exponent is 1. How about the example of the exponential? A sub n is equal to 3 to the n. Second one, a sub n is equal to 2 to the n minus 1. And the third one, a sub n is equal to 4 to the n plus 1. As you can see, the variable becomes exponent. So that becomes exponential. Let's do it. Instruction: determine whether the given sequence is arithmetic or geometric sequence. Is this an example of arithmetic or geometric sequence? A sub n is equal to 8 minus 3n. What is the answer? Correct. That is arithmetic sequence. Is this an example of arithmetic or geometric sequence? 9, 3, 1, 1 over 3, and 1 over 9. Correct. That is geometric sequence because the common ratio from first up to the last term, that is equal to 1/3. So 9 times 1/3 is 3. 3 times 1/3 is 1. 1 times 1/3 is 1/3. 1/3 times 1/3, the answer is equal to 1 over 9. Or the common ratio is by means of second term divided by the first term. So 3 over 9, the lowest term is 1/3. How about number 3? Arithmetic or geometric sequence 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80. What do you think is the answer? Correct. The answer is geometric sequence. If we get the common ratio, second term divided by the first term, so 10 divided by 5, the answer is equal to 2. Let us try if we multiply 2 from first up to the last term. So 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 20 times 2 is 40, 40 times 2, the answer is equal to 80. How about number 4? 5, 15, 25, 35, and 45. What do you think is the answer? Correct. The answer is arithmetic sequence because 15 minus 5, we need to get the common difference. The answer is equal to 10. So 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 10, the answer is equal to 45. So the common difference from first up to the last term is equal to 10. Is this an example of arithmetic or geometric sequence? A sub n is equal to 2 to the n minus 3. Correct. The answer is geometric sequence because n becomes exponent. N minus 3 becomes exponent. So what you have learned? Arithmetic sequence, it is a sequence with a difference between two consecutive terms. How about geometric sequence? A sequence with a ratio between two consecutive terms. So as you can see, in arithmetic, we will get the common difference, while in geometric, we need to get the common ratio. So to get the common difference, second term minus the first term. To get the common ratio, second term divided by the first term. So the operations of pattern of arithmetic sequence is addition and subtraction, while the operations of pattern of the geometric sequence is multiplication and division. As you can see in the example of the arithmetic sequence 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15, the common difference from first up to the last term, that is equal to 3. How about the geometric sequence? 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. The common ratio from first up to the last term is equal to positive 2. Second example of the arithmetic sequence 2, 6, 10, 14, and 18. The common difference from first up to the last term is equal to 4. How about the second example of the geometric sequence 2, 8, 32, 128, and 512? The common ratio is equal to positive 4. The general formula of arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times 3. The geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. The general term of the arithmetic sequence is linear, while the geometric sequence is exponential. Example is a sub n is equal to n, while the second one, a sub n is equal to 5n plus 6. How about the exponential? Example is a sub n is equal to 5 to the n, while the second one, a sub n is equal to 2 to the 3n minus 1. Can you differentiate now between arithmetic sequence or geometric sequence? Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.